Hey guys, this is Katie with Daddy. Did you know? Daddy, did you know you can make a flashlight bottle? This is from the Dream and Steam box. I have all my materials right here. I am now applying the copper tape to the model. This is some more copper tape. This is the negative side. I'm putting the paper clip on the positive side. This is the power switch I'm gonna attach. This is the LED light. The long side is positive and the short side is negative. I'm attaching a 9-volt battery to power the light. This is the finished product. Until next time on Daddy, Did You Know? Don't forget to subscribe.